Say hello, guys.
What's up, dude?
Say hi, Cody. Say hi, Jordan.
What's up?
Oh, sorry. Not looking at your face.
Oh, you didn't even give me like, hey, Matt.
What's up,
Hey,
Matt?
Bones.
AKA Bones, the man with the plan. But his name's not Stan, it's Bones.
Ladies are checking it out. Freaking mullet lady. Oh, that's the video. You messed it up again. She had a mullet, huh, Dallas?
Yeah. Hey, Utah, man. Everyone's got mullets, bro.
Dude, saw my foot. Really?
There's the boat and the truck. Fishing rod?
Dude, are we doing an intro or what?
Yeah, we're live right now.
Oh.
Oh, we are?
Oh, I hope we don't
Now
put
we're all
any of
talking
that
about-
on.
We're not live,
Oh,
but
okay.
it's rolling.
Come on, man.
So we finally made it.
Sorry, what?
And there's Cody's butt crack.
Let's redo that.
Take two. So we are here as a type of bachelor party. It's not a party. We're just a bunch of guys hanging out. That still sounds kind of weird. Yes,
Weekend.
Jordan is getting married. So we all just for his last hoorah coming up here and have fun in St. George. I always want to say Salt Lake. Coming up here to St. George, and we're going to go to Sand Hollow to go fishing for some bass.
Big bass.
So yes, this is Jordan. You probably know. Hopefully you can see.
I don't think they can even see me. Now they can.
Bones, or AKA Matt. His real name's Bones. Cody. Your name is the Cuz.
Okay.
You're the Cuz.
Okay.
Jordan's
yours?
nickname is Jordania.
What's yours? D-Man.
My name is Dallas.
D-Man.
D-Man? I'm D-Man.
Salad.
Salad. Because that's Dallas backwards. So anyway, Cody's talking about food already. Unbelievable.
We're gonna go, look.
We're going to go hit up Sportsman's Warehouse, and then we're going to eat somewhere. I don't know where yet, though. Oh, man. Well, it's hot outside, in case you were wondering.
Just throw that in there.
Just throw that in there. That's free.
We're
Good.
in Sportsman's Warehouse.
Yeah, we're going to Sportsman's Warehouse.
Let's go.
Okay, see you there. Bye.
Okay.
We're going to do some dope B-roll.
Smash the camera.
I gotta put my pants back on.
My phone. Just bust.
This one's for the girl.
It's not working.
Your girl.
Are you getting some flip-flops?
Yes.
Oh, hey, what's that shirt you're wearing, bro?
Oh, this is Times and Line shirt. 20% off on the website. The promo code is July.
Good stuff. All right, we gotta get out of here. I got $100 already here. I don't need to spend any more money. We need to go check out right now. Pronto. Gotta get some candy when you're at Sportsman's, right? Right, Cody?
Right.
Told you. Are you buying mine?
No.
There you go. Thank you. Okay, here we go. Take two.
Dude, they don't have to know it's this.
I just did that because it's funny.
Tackle that.
Yeah, so obviously what you just saw was a bunch of tackle that we all bought. It wasn't just one person's. This is all it right here. We got weights and hooks and lures and plastics. Look, I'll make it rain. Tackle.
These bad boys. I haven't
Those
ever
bad
seen
boys?
these. Have you ever seen these?
I've never really seen them, honestly. I've seen them a couple times. I was like, what the heck is that? But today I was like, you know what? I'm just going to buy it. And I'm going to Texas rig it with no weight and kind of use it as a jerk bait.
Show them. What is it? Has like a big old eyeball on it.
See that?
I got this for
Show us,
wacky
show us.
tomorrow. It's
These right here only come with, let me see this one.
yeah.
I've only ever seen it with black flake. That's just what we have in our local stores in Vegas. But this one, as you can see, hopefully, has purple and green flake, which can be a game changer. I got these guys.
This is the
So, Yum makes these little Senkos. Check it out. Little chartreuse tip. This one is black flake. See that? It looks like the original Gary Yamamoto. I got it right.
I got a bunch of other stuff.
I got one of these also, but he got a jig.
I'm really pumped on that jig. That's a good looking.
Did you get a trailer for the jig?
I have cross.
You do.
I do.
Got a popper here.
That's Jordan's.
Popper here. That's mine's. This is what I'm most pumped on right here.
What, your jig?
Yes, this sexy looking jig. Saucy as all get out. Yo. Peep it. So here we go. Look at this thing.
It looks good by itself.
Yeah, I think so too.
Yummy. If I was a fish, I would be dead as soon as I was born because, well, my wallet's dead because I spent a lot of money on my tackle. I got this and I got this little chunk. Look at that. Bow, bow, bow. So yeah, that's pretty much a rundown of what we got.
We're going to slam tomorrow.
We went out to San Hollow this afternoon after we had a little bit of Freddy's burgers. Those were bomb.
How do you go to Freddy's?
We didn't get custard?
No.
We need to go right
Yeah.
now.
We didn't go right now.
We're going right now. See ya.
Really?
JK.
That'll get it going.
Cody woke up. The boat wouldn't start.
Excited.
I was really mad about it.
Really mad.
I was so mad.
He was mad. But
Um,
it was a stupid mistake.
Yeah, so I went and got the boat cleaned, and I think what happened, I'm not blaming the guy, I could have done it. So what I think happened is either him or I pulled the kill switch. So that's why I didn't start. So we just kind of swam. I lost the lure on top of being frustrated with the boat. But it runs now. We figured out the problem, so we're good. Now it's just I didn't charge it, and we don't have a way to charge it. So hopefully that is not a problem.
I'm feeling some custard now.
Me too.
Yeah,
I'm feeling
we're
like
going to hit up. If nothing's open,
McDonald's
we're at least
is
going to
always-
go to McDonald's or
Faithful.
Walmart.
Get some
Got the little.
McFlurries.
Old Faithful McDonald's.
That's good stuff. Should we vlog sesh that?
Of course.
Yes.
Let's vlog sesh. Let's go. Custard, here we come. Or ice cream. McDonald's, whatever.
Do they still sell McFlurries?
At all.
Dude, check out that truck with that boat.
That boat, though. You get it?
Old Faithful
Eminem. Are you a rapper?
I'm a rapper.
First one on the board. I guess this means I better put my chest cam on, huh? You got yours on?
I didn't have it on.
You
I can
need-
turn it on really
Oh,
quickly.
turn it on? Okay, cool. There we go. Look at that. Here, let's get some sun on there. Yeah, pretty looking fish. Obviously not a giant, but we'll take it. Day one on the water. Hope my audio's good. Everything's connected, plugged in. Oh. Oh my God.
How did you do that?
I don't know. Oh, this is my second drop shot rod. Why the heck did that do that? I just catch too many fish. What the heck? What am I gonna use? Oh, do I gotta go buy another rod? Awesome. Beautiful.
How far should Wacky drop down to the bottom?
All the way.
Be toward-
You could put a weight on it.
Oh.
No
You don't believe in me? Look. Have y'all ever seen this? I just kind of don't know if I've even ever tried that. Texas rig monster Senko. Bones.
This is my new PB, guys.
Let's get the scale on them.
Yep. This is my
second hookup of the day.
Yep, second bass.
What'd you catch him on?
I caught him on a wacky rig with a little chartreuse tip.
Ooh,
the one that we were talking about.
Schmexy. Oh, did you just get a?
I got a hit.
I got a hit.
So,
what are you
this
doing?
is the second one. If you want to do a release.
Yeah, go for it.
I think you meant like a release underwater. Oh no. Come on, baby.
He's good. He's good.
Yeah. Dude, I'm so freaking pumped.
Get it in.
You have a back. I think I'm with Cody.
That's why I don't go.
And I don't go to the one in Kingman either.
I'll stop enjoying it.
How was fishing this morning?
I slept.
Slept.
Bring a key in case my glasses aren't in the truck.
Yeah, I'm keeping it. I'll throw it out.
We all slept.
Okay,
We
right.
slept in.
Is the truck unlocked for you?
Well,
Trying to convince these guys to go fishing still, but they're like, it's gonna be hot and nasty.
Will you grab my...
So at least we're gonna go get breakfast. Probably gonna hit up Cracker Barrel. So I guess we'll just get some dope eating B-roll. Load it up. Those are all my rods.
Wishes.
Wishes.
But the Chevy, when you pull it, you can let go of it right away. Yeah. It was really hard to just sit back.
We sat down. What are you getting?
I don't know yet.
Breakfast?
Breakfast?
What to get? What'd you order?
Chicken and dumplings, 2 sides of macaroni and cheese, a small plate of biscuits and gravy.
What'd you order yesterday?
Chicken and dumplings, 2 sides of macaroni and cheese, and cornbread.
Oh,
He just added biscuits and gravy this time.
And coffee.
God. So, finished up Cracker Barrel. Now I think we're gonna head to Sportsman's. I'm gonna go return a fishing pole that I didn't get to use today. And then I guess we're just gonna head home. And that about do it for this video. I hope that you guys enjoyed watching it as much as I have enjoyed making it and filming it. It was quite the experience hanging out with those guys over the weekend. We had a good time. We did some fishing. We got people blowing off fireworks right now. 4th of July is tomorrow. Some cliff jumping, some swimming, and we ate. That's pretty much the 3 things we did. We fished, we swam, and we ate. It was a pretty good time. And sleep, you know, whatever, if you want to get to the details. I know there wasn't a bunch of fishing content, and I'm sorry. 2 reasons. One is the fishing wasn't so hot, and 2, I'm not going to blame anyone, but collectively the group decided to go swimming and or other activities rather than fishing, just because the Saturday morning wasn't that great, so no one was really pumped to go fishing again. Regardless, we still had a good time, but so we fished a little bit Saturday morning, and we did a lot of this, and we did a lot of that. But all in all, it was a really good trip. We celebrated Mr. Jordan Hinds being a single man for the last couple weekends of his life. And we're back. If you liked this video, please like, comment, and or subscribe so you can catch all the other videos. There are many more to come. Tomorrow, 4th of July, I'm going to be doing something. I don't know exactly quite yet. It will be outdoors related, and there will be a video, and you're going to want to see it because it's good stuff. We still have a sale going on until Friday, July 7th. 20% off your entire purchase using the code JULY, all capital letters, July, July. So, yeah. Take advantage of that. Like I said, that'll about wrap it up. My name's Dallas with Tines and Lines Co. And always remember to stay outdoors and keep it real. Peace out, y'all.